Awesome. So now we are going to optimize the second aspect of your business account, and that is your business account name. So this is another important aspect of your Instagram profile, but it's also a very simple aspect to optimize. So at the moment, my name is Benji. You can see under my circular profile picture on the top left, it says Benji in bold writing. So your name will always be displayed in the bold writing on your Instagram profile. It's also searchable. So it's very important to make sure that we are optimizing for people looking for our business. And that's why my number one rule is when choosing a name for your profile, simply use the name of your business. So I would use Benjamin Wilson or Benji Blue. Whichever one I wanted to go with is totally fine. Now, a couple of exceptions to this rule. If it's necessary, you can also use the field or the area that you do business in too. So for example, Turtle Pizzeria or Turtle Accounting or Turtle Education could also be used as our name, just to show people who are searching through Instagram what we do before they even click on our profile. So if you have a simple 1 or 2 word name, feel free to add your field of business to the end of that. If not, pretty please keep it simple, keep it searchable, and put in either your full name if you're a personal brand, or if you're a traditional business and you don't have a face to your business, just put in your full business name. Now, doing that is really simple. Once again, we're going to click the Edit Profile button. And instead of doing the second little form down here, we're going to click on the first form where it says Benji. Now, I'm going to change that to Benjamin Wilson. Click Done. And now you can see on my bio page, it's a lot more fleshed out. It's still in bold. It's up the top left under my profile picture. That's how easy it is to come back in and change. So once again, I want to stress at any time, all this stuff that we're doing is very, very changeable and very malleable. So don't stress too much about choosing your handle or your name or your bio or your photos right now. It can be changed anytime you want. So no stress. Let's just keep rolling through the characteristics of our profile, get it up there and optimized, and get people to start following us. So next, we're going to jump over to the next lecture and go through our profile photos.